In a world consumed by consumerism, there's a powerful counter-movement gaining momentum: minimalism. It's about living with less, but not in a way that feels like deprivation. It's about surrounding yourself only with things that spark joy and purpose. When you let go of excess belongings, you make space for what truly matters. Minimalism isn't about strict rules or empty rooms. It's a deeply personal journey of discovering what brings you joy. It's about creating a life of intention, where your possessions serve you, not the other way around. For many, the journey to minimalism begins with a feeling of being overwhelmed. Closets overflowing with clothes never worn, drawers crammed with gadgets gathering dust. Minimalism offers a way out. By consciously choosing what we allow into our lives, we take back control. One of the most immediate and tangible benefits of minimalism is its impact on our finances. By embracing a minimalist lifestyle, we can significantly reduce our expenses and create a more stable financial future. This approach encourages us to focus on what truly matters, eliminating the unnecessary and often costly distractions that can drain our resources. When we stop chasing the latest trends and buying things we don't need, we naturally start to save money. This shift in mindset helps us to prioritize our spending, ensuring that our hard-earned money is used for things that genuinely add value to our lives. Instead of succumbing to the pressure of consumerism, we learn to appreciate the simplicity and contentment that comes with owning less. Imagine all those impulse purchases you resisted, the sales you skipped because you were content with what you already had. Each decision to not buy something unnecessary is a step towards financial freedom. Over time, these small choices accumulate, leading to substantial savings that can be redirected towards more meaningful goals, such as travel, education, or investing in experiences that enrich our lives. This newfound financial freedom can be truly liberating. It allows us to break free from the cycle of debt and financial stress that often accompanies a consumer-driven lifestyle. By reducing our financial obligations, we gain the flexibility to make choices that align with our values and aspirations, rather than being dictated by our financial constraints. It can provide a safety net for unexpected expenses, allow you to pursue passions you've put on hold, or even accelerate your journey towards financial independence. With a solid financial foundation, we can take risks and explore opportunities that we might have otherwise deemed too risky or unattainable. This sense of security and freedom opens up a world of possibilities. Minimalism empowers you to make conscious choices about your spending, aligning it with your values and long-term goals. By being intentional with our finances, we can ensure that our money is spent in ways that support our overall well-being and happiness. This mindful approach to spending helps us to avoid the pitfalls of mindless consumption and fosters a deeper sense of satisfaction and fulfillment. Sarah started tracking her spending, identifying areas where she could cut back without sacrificing her quality of life. She realized that many of her expenses were driven by habits and societal expectations, rather than genuine needs or desires. By reassessing her priorities, she was able to make more informed decisions about where to allocate her resources. She sold items she no longer used, paid off her credit card debt, and started building an emergency fund. This process not only improved her financial situation, but also brought a sense of clarity and purpose to her life. By letting go of the excess, she was able to focus on what truly mattered to her, creating a more meaningful and fulfilling lifestyle. Sarah's story is a testament to the transformative power of minimalism on our financial well-being. Her journey illustrates how adopting a minimalist mindset can lead to greater financial stability, reduced stress, and an overall improved quality of life. By embracing minimalism, we can all take steps towards freeing our finances and creating a more intentional and fulfilling future. Time is our most precious resource, yet we often squander it on maintaining our belongings. Think about the hours spent cleaning, organizing, and searching for misplaced items. Minimalism frees up this valuable time, allowing us to focus on what truly matters. With less stuff, our homes become easier to clean and maintain. We spend less time shopping and more time enjoying experiences with loved ones. This shift in priorities can lead to a more fulfilling and meaningful life. When people declutter their homes and their schedules, they create space for creativity, relaxation, and personal growth. They rediscover forgotten passions, deepen their relationships, and find joy in the simplicity of everyday moments. It's about living with intention and purpose, making each moment count. Clutter isn't just a physical burden, it also weighs heavily on our minds. Living in a cluttered environment can increase stress, anxiety, and feelings of overwhelm. Our homes should be our sanctuaries, places where we can relax and recharge. Minimalism helps us create these peaceful havens. When we declutter our physical spaces, we also declutter our minds. We create a sense of calm and order that permeates every aspect of our lives. Imagine walking into your home after a long day and being greeted by a sense of tranquility instead of chaos. As we let go of material attachments, we also release the mental and emotional baggage we've been carrying. We become more present, more mindful, and more able to appreciate the beauty and simplicity. The beauty of minimalism lies in its ability to unlock a sense of freedom many didn't realize they were missing. This freedom manifests in various aspects of life, from greater financial flexibility to more time for personal pursuits. It's about breaking free from the shackles of consumerism and societal expectations. Imagine the freedom of knowing you are no longer defined by your possessions, but by the richness of your experiences and relationships. Minimalism empowers you to live life on your own terms, pursuing your passions and living authentically. It's about designing a life that aligns with your values, not the dictates of trends or advertising. You may find yourself more willing to take risks, try new things, and step outside your comfort zone. You are no longer tethered to a life of accumulating things, but are free to explore the world and chase your dreams. It's about finding freedom in simplicity and discovering the joy of living with less. Embarking on a minimalist journey might seem daunting, but it doesn't have to be an overwhelming overhaul. Start small. Begin by decluttering one area of your home, like a drawer, a shelf, or a corner. As you experience the benefits of letting go, you'll feel motivated to continue. Remember, minimalism is not about deprivation, but about surrounding yourself with things that spark joy and purpose. Hold each item in your hand and ask yourself, does this spark joy? If it does, keep it. If not, thank the item for its service and let it go. Don't be afraid to let go of items that no longer serve you, even if they were gifts or hold sentimental value. The true value of an item lies in the joy it brings you, not in its monetary worth or sentimental attachment. The beauty of minimalism is that it's a journey, not a destination. There's no need to strive for an unrealistic ideal of perfection. Instead, focus on making small, sustainable changes that align with your lifestyle and values. Embrace the process of simplifying your life, one step at a time. One powerful way to embrace minimalism is to adopt a one-in, one-out rule. For every new item you bring into your home, let go of one item you no longer use or love. This simple practice helps prevent clutter from building up and encourages mindful consumption. Another helpful tip is to create a capsule wardrobe, a curated collection of essential clothing items that can be mixed and matched to create a variety of outfits. This not only simplifies your wardrobe, but also reduces decision fatigue and saves time in the mornings. At its core, minimalism encourages us to be more mindful consumers. It's about questioning our purchasing habits and considering the impact our choices have on our wallets, our well-being, and the planet. Before making a purchase, pause and ask yourself, do I really need this? Instead of buying into fleeting trends, invest in quality over quantity. Choose items that are well-made, durable, and bring you lasting joy. This approach not only saves money in the long run, but also promotes sustainability by reducing waste. Embrace experiences over material possessions. Create memories, not clutter. Instead of buying another gadget that will eventually gather dust, invest in experiences that enrich your life, like traveling, learning a new skill, or spending quality time with loved ones. Minimalism isn't about living with less, it's about appreciating what we have. When we let go of excess possessions, we create space to appreciate the simple things that bring us joy. We become more mindful of the beauty in everyday moments. Take the time to appreciate the things you already own. Use your favorite dishes, wear your best clothes, and enjoy the comfort of your home. When you cherish what you have, you'll be less likely to seek fulfillment in material possessions. Gratitude is an essential part of minimalism. Be grateful for the roof over your head, the food on your table, and the people in your life. Ultimately, minimalism is about living with intention. It's about making conscious choices about what we allow into our lives, from the possessions we own to the commitments we make. It's about creating a life that aligns with our values and brings us joy. Minimalism isn't a one-size-fits-all solution. It's a deeply personal journey of discovering what truly matters to you. There's no right or wrong way to embrace minimalism. The key is to find what works for you and your lifestyle. As you embark on your minimalist journey, remember to be patient with yourself. It takes time to declutter, simplify, and create new habits. Celebrate your progress, no matter how small.